If you're looking for a way to improve your drifting skills and take your BMW E30, E36 or E46 to the next level, the S-Works Drift Angle Kit is the perfect solution. With its advanced features and high-quality constructions, this kit is designed to help you achieve extreme drift angles with ease. One of the best things about the DS-Works Drift Angle Kit is how easy it is to install. This kit is completely plug-and-play, meaning that you don't need to be an expert mechanic to install it. You can simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided and have your kit running in no time. However, it is important to know that DS-Works Drift Angle Kit requires wheels with an offset of 10 or less and a maximum width of 8.5 inches. This is because the kit is designed to work optimally with this specific wheel specification. Additionally, the kit comes with a torque spec for all bolts, so you can be sure that your installation is secure and safe. Once you install the DS-Works Drift Angle Kit, you'll notice a significant improvement in your steering and handling performance. With its ability to achieve incredible 70 degrees of drift angle, you'll be able to take your drifting skills to the next level. And with 3 different Ackerman angle positions to choose from, you can fine-tune your steering to exact driving style. It also comes with a range of other features that make it a great choice for BMW enthusiasts. With its zero toe, 8 degrees of caster and 5 degrees of camber, the kit offers optimal tire contact and a maximum grip during drifting. The kit also features chrome moly tubes and a TIG welded for a maximum durability, while the 35mm of the roll center correction and the bump steer correction ensure the smoother ride. Another great feature of the DS-Works Drift Angle Kit is its 40% faster steering wheel response. This means that you can react more quickly to changing driving conditions, maintaining better control of your vehicle. And with its ability to choose the color of your choice, you can customize your kit to match your BMW style. Overall, the DS-Works Drift Angle Kit is an excellent choice for everyone looking to take their BMW E30, E36 or E46 to the next level. With its advanced features, easy installation, the best price on the market, you won't find a better drift angle kit anywhere else.